was to have something booked for this weekend, but I changed my mind. I changed my mind, I changed my mind, I changed my mind. I changed my mind. Well, it started because the girl that you control the reins. And despite what I do to be true, well, I don't dare things will change. I didn't say I can't believe the blame, but I even say, cause it was situations in retrospect when the things you say shift direction and put into action. But I just let it, was all by. People say, help me,